So today I'm going to give our update, and I will also be presenting an update on some of the epidemiology and the modeling that we've been looking at following over the last month. So that'll be our 9th, I believe, presentation of some of the data on COVID-19 in British Columbia. So as we are on Monday, we have 3 reporting periods to provide information on. From Friday to Saturday, we had 130 new cases identified. From Saturday to Sunday, 108. And from Sunday to today, another 120 new cases were identified, bringing our total on the weekend to 358 people who've been diagnosed with COVID-19, including 8 of which were epidemiologically linked. So our total in British Columbia now is 9,739. That includes 3,580 people in the Vancouver Coastal Health Region, 4,980 people in Fraser Health, 220 people in Vancouver Island, 548 people who live in Interior Health, 322 people in the Northern Health Region, and 89 people who generally reside outside of Canada. We now have 1,353 active cases in British Columbia, of whom 66 are hospitalized, 16 of whom are in critical care or ICU. We now have 3,010 people under active public health monitoring and 8,115 people who have recovered. Tragically, this weekend we saw an additional 4 people who died from COVID-19, bringing that total to 242 people. These are 3 people in the Fraser Health Region and 1 person in Vancouver Coastal. And again, these tragedies are compounded by the fact that we still cannot mourn in our ways that we usually do. And our condolences go to the families and to the care teams and communities who have lost people in the last week. We also have 3 new healthcare outbreaks in the province, a recurrence in Langley Lodge, in White Rock Seniors Village, and in Chartwell Crescent Gardens, all of which are in the Fraser Health Authority, and all of which have been a single case identified in a healthcare worker, and we have teams on site to make sure all of the appropriate protocols are implemented in those facilities. In addition, the Holy Family Hospital outbreak has been declared over. We now, leaving us with 19 active outbreaks in the healthcare system, 16 in long-term care and assisted living, and 3 in acute care units. And 876 people have been affected, 517 residents, and 359 staff. Also, over the weekend, 1 new community outbreak was declared in the Fraser Health Region, and that's the MSJ Valhalla Distribution Centre, where a number of people have been identified, and case finding and outbreak management protocols have been put in place in that workplace. In addition, there have been other smaller exposure events, both in schools and in workplaces, and in other sites in the community, and these are listed on the Health Authority websites and on the BC CDC website.